today we are going to teach you how to draw a beautiful sunflower inspired by the artist Vincent Van Gogh, or Vincent Van Gogh as some people say. Aoibheann Rose, can you show everybody what we're going to be creating today, please?
Okay, I'm going to make it appear.
1, 2, 3, go! Yay! So, first things first, we are going to get ourselves nice and calm and relaxed because you cannot be creative whenever you're all uptight and stressed. So let's breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Let's do this 3 times. In through your nose, out through your mouth, and last one, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Always remember your breath is your anchor and it will always steady you and keep you nice and calm. So now we're going to start drawing the circular shape for the inner part of the sunflower. Aoibheann Rose is just going to draw around this masking tape and I'm going to just draw it freehand. Okay, so we're going to go up close now so you can see what we're doing. So let's just draw a circle in the middle. Okay, so you're drawing a small circle and then you're going to draw a big circle like Aoibheann Rose is doing. She's using this to help her draw the shape of the sunflower in the center. And don't worry, because it's very difficult to draw a perfect circle. Apparently you're a genius if you can draw a perfect circle. So what I want you to do now, darling, is draw a smaller circle inside. So it kind of looks like a donut or a polo mint. Good girl. Excellent. After this then, we are going to start doing our petals of our flower, okay? So when you're drawing your petals, I want you to think of an arrow. And we are going to draw a series of straight lines. Some are vertical, some are horizontal, and we're going to make it like into a sum. Okay, Aoibheann Rose, so can you copy that now, please?
Okay.
Good girl. So just take your time. You draw them out at an angle. Good girl. So like on the hands of a clock, you're going the whole way round. Good girl. And then if you can start doing some diagonal lines now, which go down. That's it. Excellent. Brilliant, darling. Good girl. And then if you do another 2 more here and 1 up at the top. Brilliant. So once you get that done, then we are going to start putting in our little arrows. Okay. So what I mean by that is you're going to do a little letter, like a letter V at the edge of each of your little lines. Okay, so can you do that now, Aoibheann Rose? And boys and girls, always remember, you are little sunflowers. So in the morning, I want you to get out of bed, stand up straight and tall, stand towards the light, look at the light and shine bright, okay? And always, always be positive. Try and have positive mental thoughts. And if someone beside you is maybe not having a good day, you can shine your light on top of them and help them and make them feel better as a result of being in your company. Always remember, we like to hang out with the light bulbs and stay away from the hoovers. Good girl. Now, what we're going to do now then is we are going to take the edges of our V and we're going to bring it down to the edge of the flower. Okay, so we are going like this. So Aoibheann Rose, can you start trying to copy that? You're going to do your own thing. I'm just showing you very quickly how to do your petals. Perfect, darling. This is fabulous. Good girl. And then you can do more once you get that done, if you've any wee gaps. Okay, brilliant. These are fabulous. Can I just show everybody your lovely drawings, Aoibheann Rose, so they can see what you're doing? Fab. Okay, good girl. You keep going. And then, as I said, you can do some more. You can do some more flowers in between. Not flowers, petals. So you're getting a big, full, happy sunflower, which is bright and uplifting and warm like the sun. Okay, Because whenever we look at the sun, you feel all loved and fuzzy inside. And that's what I want you to think about whenever you look at your lovely drawing. I want you to think of how warm and how much love you have in your wee heart for everybody in your class and at home. That's so important to share the love. Good girl, Aoibheann Rose. Keep going. So you're just making the V's at the top and then you're curving that the whole way into the center of your flower. Okay? Yeah. So you can fill in any gaps. Fill in any gaps. You've got that. And then you just connect, I'll help you, okay? Just connect them all together. You have to really focus and concentrate when you're doing your art. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the drawing part done. Would you like to draw a stem? Yes. So if you want to draw a stem, think of the number 11. And let's draw a stem coming down from the bottom. It doesn't matter if it's not straight, okay? So let's draw number 11 coming down in between your petals. Good girl. Yeah, don't make it too thin. Perfect. And then you can draw the same idea as we've done for the petals, we can do for the leaves. So you're just going to curve. You're going to draw 2 lines going out, okay? You draw 2 lines going out at either side of your stem. Hold your wee page. There we go, and the other side. And now you're going to do 2 V's at the back of those, at the top of those even. Thank you. And then we are going to curve this in. And there we've got lovely big leaves. So that is the drawing section of our sunflower done. So join us soon and we are going to add colour. Okay, so now we're going to add colour to our beautiful sunflower. So we're using our colours. We're using yellow and our cotton bud. So what you need to do is take your water, dip your cotton bud into your water and swirl it around and pick up lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of yellow colour. Okay, so Aoibheann Rose, you can start doing that now, darling. There you go. And then I'll show you what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be using our cotton bud and making marks similar to the way that Van Gogh did. He used lots of different mark making when he was drawing and painting. He used lots of different broken lines. So today we're not using broken lines, we're using broken circles and we're just dabbing on the colour to the centre of our sunflower with our yellow. So as I said earlier, yellow is a really bright and uplifting colour and we want to use lots of that to create our lovely sunny sunflowers. And isn't it funny that the word sunflower has the word sun in it? And the sun shines bright and it's lovely and warm and loving. Do you know, Aoibheann Rose, whenever the sun shines in my face, I always think of my granny and her giving me a hug because I feel so loved. So once you get your yellow done, then you can go in with your orange, okay? So just put in some orange. And then I'm going to go in with some brown. Okay. I'm going to put brown in the middle of my sunflower. So you can you can use the other side of your cotton bud if you want to. That's no problem. So we're just dabbing on the colour. Dab on the colour and then make the outline brown as well, okay? So that's the centre of your sunflower, and then after that we're going to use yellow paint and we are going to paint our sunflower petals. And don't worry about if you don't get all of the petals painted. You can leave some areas white. Okay. Yep, you do your brown now, darling, in the centre. Okay, so we're putting on some lemon. And then you can go darker if you want to. You could put in some yellow with some ochre. So ochre is this golden colour here you see on the paint palette. You could use that. You could put in some ochre into your leaves. You could put in some orange and yellow together, so you can mix your colours. Don't be afraid to mix your colours. And you could put a little outline around your flowers with a little centre section. And then if you think it's too dark, you can just take water and blend that all in. Okay. So make sure when you're putting on your colour for the centre of your flower that that's it, good girl, Aoibheann Rose, you're putting on that colour really well. Because your watercolour will dry slightly lighter, so you always want to make it darker. Okay, so you can start doing your petals now. Then we're going to put some yellow on for the leaves. So this is your underpainting. And then you can put on some green. There we go. And then you can add in some darker green if you want to, with a little bit of blue, because blue and yellow make green. So if you mix green with blue, it'll just make it a darker kind of colour, and you can go around that with, but don't outline your painting in black. We don't do that, okay? Black is not a colour that goes around everything, so we don't do that. And then you can go back up again. If you think you want to add more colour to your actual sunflower, then you can add more colour into your petals. Okay, so if I was you, Aoibheann Rose, I would put more colour in there, what I show you, so there it's darker. So don't be afraid to put in your colour and make it darker. Okay, so you might think, oh, that's enough paint, but then when it dries, it'll get lighter. Okay, so that's why you have to kind of use kind of bold colours. That's perfect. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, so just keep adding more colour in and going around your little, into all your little petals. Okay, and then once you get that done, then you can put yellow on your stem and your leaves. Okay, so you do that now, darling, and then that's you. You're nearly there. Good girl. Yep. So this is called your underpainting, and what that means is that you are putting on the colour really brightly underneath before you put on your green, so then it appears more luminous and more brighter. Okay, so if I was you, I'd put on more green. You need to put on more colour, less water, more colour. Okay, so when you're painting, you need to make sure that you're putting on enough paint so that you can actually see it. So still, you need to put on more colour, what I show you. So don't be afraid, darling, to pick up the colour and put it on. Okay, that's you. I'm going to put a wee bit more green on my leaves and make them really stand out. Alrighty, a wee bit of dark colour. Yep, it's too much water. Always use less water and more paint, okay? That's you, lovely, perfect. Okay, so that's basically our lovely sunflowers finished for today. So I hope you enjoyed our lesson, and Aoibheann Rose has created a beautiful sunflower, just like little Aoibheann Rose, my little flower, and we will see you all in our next video. Have an awesome day.
Bye.